Well, welcome everybody to the
Jerry and Dr. Laura Show, sponsored by
The Auto Shop. See, I didn't mess it up this time.
You did good.
And there's no beeps either.
Although that was kind of fun last time.
Oh, yeah, okay. So, moving right along.
So if you missed it, check it out. We have had some people binge watch all of the episodes. It's really cool.
That's funny. I like that. Okay, so what are we going to talk about today?
Well, you titled this A Day Late. Why did you title this A Day Late, Jerry?
Because I was a day late.
Normally,
today is Friday.
Yeah.
Normally we do these when?
Thursday morning.
Yes, but you decided to run off. So she wasn't here yesterday afternoon. So
Yes.
we couldn't do a show. Stinker.
I had lunch with my friend Tiffany. And it was great. All right, so what's happening at the shop, Jerry?
Well, we've got some classic cars we're working on, and
What's one of the biggest problems with a classic car?
they're old.
They're old and parts are really hard to find. I'm learning that.
It takes patience to own one as well as to work on one because, it takes a while to find the right parts, and then we have to get them shipped in. So if you have an older vehicle, of course, you probably know that all by now, but we're working on some late 60s, mid 60s, early 70s, and late 70s cars right now at the shop, and it's really been a hoot seeing these old cars come in. And some of them, and you may experience this when you get behind an older vehicle, and the fumes burn your eyes, and you're like, oh my goodness, what's going on with that car in front of me? It's because it's burning rich. And not only does that mean it's burning gas, right? But with $2 a gallon gas, it doesn't actually burn that much money, but it does cost money to keep those things running in fuel. Their fuel consumption was significantly higher than most of the cars we have today. And with new cars, you really don't have a rich run condition or a burning rich or excessive fuel consumption because of all the fuel injection. The older cars, they're all carbureted, and we moved away from
carbureted. Oh, the old ones are carbureted.
Yeah, the old cars have carburetors.
Mm-hmm.
Most people don't even know what that is today. Well, we still know how to rebuild them here, but they're never going to be as precise with fuel metering, right? Because that's what the carburetor would do, was meter the amount of fuel the engine needed, and they'll never be as effective as fuel injection. The fuel injectors with the oxygen sensor, it can check the fuel mixture several thousand times each and every second.
Wow.
It's amazing. The technology we use with cars today is amazing. It's one of the reasons I love being a gearhead, because I get to learn about all this neat stuff.
Well, I saw what happens when a car runs rich.
Oh?
I saw it. Fire comes out of the tailpipe.
Yes, it does.
It does. And it made this loud boom sound. I just about jumped into the next building.
Yeah, and thank God this car had what is known as glass pack mufflers on it, so it didn't Sometimes you can have the explosion and they would literally do that. The exhaust system would get filled with raw fuel, and then all you have to do is have a little backfire.
The fire was that long.
Elon thinks he invented the flamethrower. He hadn't seen some of these cars.
Some of those old cars.
Where do you think they got the idea for James Bond? Come on now, guys.
And so, on those cars, so what else is happening? I see you got this
this
magazine here. What's that? Oh, it's a newspaper.
This was at my house. It came in the mail yesterday, and I started thumbing through it, and I found this really fascinating article that I would invite you to take a look at. My edition, it's on page 16, but look at that handsome fella there, talking this dashing, there it is, celebrating 40 years in Plano. Guess who that is? That would be us.
Congratulations.
Yeah, we did it.
Yeah,
Thank you.
we did it.
Okay, let's check your mailbox. Tell the nice folks at Community Impact that you like the article, you like their magazine or newspaper or whatever. I'm not sure what those are called today, but it's a fun thing.
Yep.
So what else is going on?
So just make sure that after you read the article, because I know that you're going to be impressed with who we are, what we do, go ahead and call to schedule an appointment. You can call 972-578-0588 to bring your vehicle in, or if it's after hours, just go to the website.
www.theautoshop.com.
And on the very top right, you can click schedule an appointment and fill in your information. Also, keep in mind that if you need a ride back home or to work within a 10-mile radius, we have a shuttle driver that can give you a ride to make it really easy and convenient for you.
He's the mayor of the auto shop. His name's Clinton. He's been with us almost 17 years.
And if you really don't have time to bring it in, but you still need to have something done, let us know, and we'll come pick it up and then bring it back to you. We'll deliver it back to you. So,
wow, you guys are amazing.
One of the conveniences, well, several of the conveniences that we have here at the auto shop.
Yeah, fun. What are you going to tear up this weekend?
I'm not tearing anything up. I saw that car go boom, and I said, no, man. I'm going to lay low and read a book. I'm just going to read a book.
So
Books are safe.
I was up front underneath the hood. How long were those flames?
Man, it was this long.
It gets bigger every time. She must be fishing.
Maybe that's what we should do this weekend.
I'm going to go fishing. Yeah, in the rain. No, I'm not going to do that. Anyway, that's
Have
all I
a
got.
great weekend.
See you, everybody. Take care. Come
See you
see
next
us.
time.